Hey guys, and welcome back to Fancy and Ribbons. So today I wanted to hop on here and show you guys the new printables that I have on my shop for you guys to download and make at home. And so they are these adorable Onesie cupcake toppers. You could also use them as tags. They're 2 inches. And yeah, let me quickly show you guys the ones that are already up. I could also do other themes. Just contact me on there. And so the first one is the Baby & Co. in pink and black. I also have the classic Tiffany color with black. I also have the Monster Inks inspired, Harry Potter inspired, and then Nightmare Before Christmas inspired gender reveal. They're really cute. And so I know that some of you guys don't have professional like cutting machines. These are really easy to cut if you don't have your own. So yeah, they're really easy to cut out in case you don't have a fancy cutting machine. And you only need a few. You could do it by hand. But let me quickly take these to the machine and cut them out. So once you're done cutting out all of your little onesies, so I like to do it double-sided just because I feel it looks nicer and you can't see the glue, but some people like to be on a budget and only do one single-sided, which is totally fine. But for mine, I'm gonna do it double-sided. So get your little toothpick. I'm only doing like from the middle, or like where the armpit starts. Gonna glue it in the middle. And kind of line that up. Hold for a couple seconds. And yeah, this is how easy they are. So yeah, we are done. Super easy to make. I love them. Again, I'll link down my shop here if you guys want to go check out the files and buy them. I'll also have matching banners soon, and if you guys want these in other themes, just contact me on there and I'll add them. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.